Hi there, this is my lock, and welcome to the 30th episode of Mini Lock Monday. I have here today a little TSA luggage lock, wafer style, that was sent to me by the Irishlockpicker. A link to his channel will be up here in the corner and down in the description. Go and subscribe if you're not already, pay him a visit, say hello. And yeah, so I like to call this lock the Bond lock because it's TSA007. And I'll give this one a wee pick today. So I'll pop that in the vise and we'll move it into frame. I'll lock focus on there because I'll probably get my hands in the way. I'll show the lock operating. There we go. Works nice and smoothly. So I'm going to tension using this wafer lock tensioner, but normally you would put them in the lock that way, one leg on either side of the lock, but I'm going to squeeze the legs together and just pop them in like that. It seems to do the job, and I'll use the Sparrow's Tron. So we'll get a click off one and a little movement, and I'll just try and push in towards the back of the lock and slide these wafers over to the right. Although it's a double bitted key, the wafers are only on one side. And can I get all the way into the back there? It's putting up a fight. Am I oversetting something maybe? Here we are. Just that last wafer needed a little nudge. So there we go. The TSA Bond lock from the Irishlockpicker for the 30th episode of Mini Lock Monday. So a huge thank you, Peter, for making these last couple of episodes possible. And yeah, a closer look at this strange format. We've extended the front and back of the lock to fit the mechanism in. And like I say, the wafers are only on the one side, even though the key is reversible and double bitted. There we go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.